To qualify for the Rising Talent badge on your new Upwork account so that clients can start inviting you to their jobs, you also need to add your withdrawal method, okay, like how you get paid from Upwork, and fill in your tax information. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. So I'm based in Nigeria, so I'll be teaching you how to get your tax information, your TIN, in Nigeria, okay? First, to get your tax identification number, your TIN, you will need your NIN, okay? Your national identification number. And to get your NIN, if you don't already have it, just dial *346# on your phone, okay, through your mobile carrier. Your NIN is linked with every phone number you have, okay? So you need to use the same phone number that you provided to NIMC when you were registering your SIM card, okay? So just dial it and then you'll be able to get your NIN. Now open Google and type jtb.gov.ng, okay? That's the Joint Revenue Board. Once you are on the page, click on Get Tax ID at the top right, okay? You can use your phone or your PC. You see Get Tax ID. Once you click it, you'll be redirected to this page where you can retrieve your your tax ID. Then you see Tax ID retrieval method, okay? Make sure that the dropdown is on national identification number. That's NIN, okay? Type in your NIN there and then click Retrieve Tax ID. You will require to put in your first name, your last name, and your date of birth, okay? Check I hereby consent to the processing of my information for tax-related identity verification, okay? Then verify the captcha at the bottom, click the button, and then you would get your TIN, okay? And now it's time to add a withdrawal method to Upwork, or how you are going to get paid on Upwork, okay? Wherever you are on Upwork, ideally use your PC, okay, so that's easier. Click on your photo by the top right, okay? Under your photo, a drop down will pop out. Click on account settings, okay? This will take you to the list of settings for your account, okay? By default, when you open this, it's going to open contact info, but that's not what we're looking for. At the left side, click on withdrawals, okay? So that will open the withdrawal setup engine, okay? Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You see withdrawal methods, okay? Click add a method under that field. Now, there are several withdrawal methods that you can use on Upwork. I would advise, if you have a dollar account, you can use the direct to your bank account method, okay, so that it will land in dollars. Because if you put your normal Nigerian Naira accounts, the rates, the dollars are going to be converted at a lower rate than you would probably want, okay? So you can put your domiciliary account there, or you can use PayPal. But even more preferably, you can use a virtual dollar account, so provided by some of these providers like GeekPay, Gray, okay, or Pioneer, okay. I personally use them Pioneer for several years, okay, and I still use Pioneer for like normal clients and work. So Pioneer is an excellent, and you see the Pioneer payment method there, so you can add your Pioneer account. If you don't have Pioneer, you can create a Pioneer account, or create an account with GeekPay or Gray, get your virtual dollar account, and then put it in the direct to US bank USD payment method on Upwork, okay. So just click on any of them, type in your account details. Just make sure that the name on whichever method you're using matches your Upwork name so that you don't have any issues. So once you can do that, just click save, and then that's it for adding your withdrawal method on Upwork, okay? And the second thing, adding your tax information. Now you have gotten your TIN from the Joint Tax Board website, okay? Now wherever you are on Upwork, click on, move your mouse to Manage Finances, okay? And then under Manage Finances, you see Tax Information. Click on the Tax Information button. This is where you fill in all your tax information on Upwork, okay? You need to fill in your tax residence, okay? So just type in your address, your country, your city, okay, then postal code. Make sure that the postal code matches your postal code on your bank statement. So go and check your recent bank statements, okay? And under taxpayer identification, okay, you need to type in your name, your legal name, like your full name, okay, your country, and then your tax classification. Are you an individual or a business? Obviously, you're an individual, so just type individual there and then put in your date of birth and click save, okay? And your tax identification number, this is your TIN, okay? Fill in your TIN that you just got from the website, then the dates, then signer of certificates. Just type in your name as a signature. It's not as if you need to sign, just type in your name and that will act as a signature, okay? Then click save. Additional tax information, value added tax. Just click that I don't have a VAT ID, okay? Then you save that. So finally, the statement of source, you need to make it clear that you are not receiving payments while in the US. If you're in the US, then you need to write that yes, you're in the US. But if you are not in the US, just check that I am not in the US, okay? And then click save, and then that's all for your tax information. And once you do that, and then you get your profile to 100% complete the way I taught you, Okay. And then you optimize your profile. To go and check my previous 2, 3 videos, you are already qualified for the Rising Talent Badge. The only final thing you will need to do is to learn how to send proposals that clients view. Once you can send proposals very early with your new account and the client views it and wants to hire you early, they are going to give you the Rising Talent Badge. There's almost no way that they're not. And if you want to learn how to write proposals, just click on the link on my bio to get my ebook where I'll teach you exactly how to write Upwork proposals that get viewed, interviews, and I will land you jobs number one. And then you also see real life proposals, okay, that I and my students, okay, use to land jobs on Upwork, okay. And once you get it, you will automatically be added to my group, my students group, where you can ask me questions directly, okay, about how you win on Upwork. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.